Hi guys, and welcome back to PowerShell GPT Agent Engineering. In part 1, we mastered placeholders, allowing our scripts to be context-aware. In part 2, we unlocked incredible flexibility with dynamic keyword commands. So far, the flow has been one way. We tell the AI what to do, and it controls the browser or the system. But what happens when the browser needs to talk back? What if a script needs to report its progress, send scraped data, or tell the AI it's run into a problem? Today, we're diving into the intelligent feedback loop with BrowserGPT. This is what allows your web automation scripts to report back, provide data, and even ask the AI for help. This is how we build the two-way street that's essential for any true agent. Let's get started. The entire intelligent feedback loop from the browser back to the AI model is handled by a single JavaScript function. But before we even send our first message, we need to talk about security. Any feedback from the browser must include the BrowserCommandPassWord placeholder. PowerShellGPT automatically replaces this with a unique secure password. This is a critical security feature that prevents a random, malicious website from taking control of your application. Only scripts you intentionally run have the key to open the door. There are 4 distinct ways to send feedback from the browser, and the one you choose completely changes how the application and the AI react. It all depends on a simple prefix. Let's go through the included example script. First up, the default behavior, sending a message with no prefix. I'll uncomment this line. When I run this, watch the AI feedback and prompt editor below. See that? It completely replaced any text that was there before. This method is perfect for sending a final, singular result. Because the automatically send output to model setting is checked, the text was sent to the AI as a prompt. It's the most direct way to get a single piece of information to the model. Next, we have the new log prefix. This also replaces the entire content of the feedback editor, but with one crucial difference. It will never prompt the AI, even if the automatically send output to model box is checked. This is your start fresh command. Use it as the very first step in a multi-part script to clear out old logs and begin a new sequence of events. Now for the silent partner, the log prefix. This is the AI's version of console log. It appends the message to a new line in the feedback editor without replacing anything. And just like new log, it will never prompt the AI. This is essential for recording intermediate steps, status updates, or debug values during a long process without interrupting the AI's current task. Watch. I'll run it once, and you see the line is added. I'll run it again, and another line is added. We're building a running log completely silently. Finally, we have the most powerful one for agentic behavior, send log. Like the log prefix, this appends the message to the editor. But if automatically send output to model is enabled, it then sends the entire accumulated log to the AI model. This is for critical milestones. You record the step, but you also give the AI the full context of everything that's happened so far, allowing it to make an informed decision on what to do next. Let's see it all come together. When I click this button, it will execute this JavaScript demonstrating the multi-step process. This script starts with new log to clear the slate. It then adds 2 silent log entries for successful steps. Finally, it hits an error and uses sendlog to report it and ask the AI for help. Let's run it. And there it is. The full log appears. And because we used sendlog on that last message, the entire context was sent straight to the AI. It analyzes the log and generates a response, suggesting likely solutions to the problem. The loop is complete. The browser has spoken, and the AI has understood. Mastering this communication protocol is the key to building sophisticated agents. It's how you give your scripts the ability to report status, provide data, and ask for new instructions. This is the nervous system of your agent. That's it for part 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until then, have fun, stay safe.